Liberty stock number 51222 is a Sunnen model ML-3500D, power stroking horizontal hone, serial number 3Z11181. Year built 2002. Okay, Rodney.
What do you want to see? Walk
Everything.
Around or everything? We're not under power yet, but you can show a little bit. We can show the sides, the cabinet. We'll power up on the way back, but standard ML-35, huh? And we can power up now. Here, I'll power up real quick as long as you're standing here. Why not? There we go. That's where I'm at. You can open up the wings. Yeah, there's the oil system. Around the back. Off this one maybe. On this one. An Allen wrench. It was unlatched before. There we go. That's good.
It's nice.
I can jog it, running the manual a little bit. So here's the electric down, by the way. Documentation down there. There's a chart in there. I just left it later. Docs are all in here though. 2 drives. That looks clean.
Yeah.
And we've got jog. Do that again. It's the first time I've tried that. I don't even know.
Yeah.
And then manual, you can unlatch. Manual, I can run up the spindle right now. I don't know if I'm going to get in your way, but I have to get on the foot pedal. So just there's the spindle at 580. I'll run it up. 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 2,000. Coming. And go. And I'll lower it back down. We'll bring it up under automatic and let the stroker do its thing. And lower it down a bit. There we go. 900. And if we go into auto, at 95, I'll go halfway down, so a stroke with the spindle. I can bring that up a little bit too. 20. That's kind of hard, but that's fast. There we go. That all works. That's manual. That's auto, I'm sorry. Let me come back off of there. Manual, I can get it to go down to 0, and I think it kicks off at 0. I'm not playing with any speeds and feeds or the forces, so there's the needle. Manual, I can bury it, see? Or if I flip over an auto and hit cycle start, we can go. And it bottoms out right away because we have no tooling in there, so I just put 7 finishing strokes on there to keep it going even after it bottoms out on 0. I'll run a couple.
Okay.
Watch that one first, I need to watch this one. Cycle start now. See the needle?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was it. Now we're doing the finishing diameter 7 times. Do that again. And the needle's all that matters on this machine.
Yeah.
That's all that
Well,
matters.
it varies right away.
Yeah,
So.
right. See, that's it. Now you come up here and you'll see why we're running as long as we do. Otherwise the cycle would stop immediately, but I've got 7 strokes on there. So now it's stroking and counting down, as you can see. Yeah, pull back and you see them both at once, and there we go. Now, I didn't really try it, but for what it's worth, we put a longer, shorter. Let's see where we're at there. Snug that down. Try one more. That's a short stroke. Go bigger. See what we got. Yeah, there we go.
Nice.
Good to go. Yeah, I'll put it back in midstream, leave that alone.
Okay.
So, yeah, you want to see a run from back there?
Yeah, we'll do one run from here.
Let me go in auto, and I'll just hold it down for you for a minute and walk around. There we go. That's stroker and spindle.
Time to walk around back.
Yeah, come over. Go ahead.
That's great.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
Come around, we're done. Oil system works okay. We got it off to the side, of course, and if you're good, I'll power down.
Power down.
We're done.